So we will start with creating the walls. I'm going to go into perspective view and I'm going to select the curves that are the perimeter of the walls. You can do group by group or you can do just segment by segment as you wish. And if you go into the left menu in the cube icon, the last two icons are the most important one. I'm gonna select the extrude curves one, the one before the last. And if you go up and down, it will allow you to extrude it how much you want. Or you can type in the length. So I'm gonna type 3000 and it's gonna appear on the top where how much your wall height you need it to be. And I went into perspective and changed the view into shaded. You can change it into rendered and see how it will look like, or into ghosted, which is very helpful because you can see the edges that you can work with. You will see that the walls are hollow from top and bottom, so select the perimeter wall and type join. What this does is that it makes it into one unit, which will allow us to cap them to use the command cap. So all you need is the perimeter walls, and in the command type, now you can type cap and it will create top and bottom surface. Don't forget to press enter. The way of doing that is to create a surface and then extruding the surface rather than extruding the curves. Go down into the object snap tool. Make sure that it is on, which will allow you to select the ends of the curves or the midpoints or the intersecting points. It's quite helpful. Otherwise, you will not be able to be precise about your selection. So make sure object snap is on. As you can see, you can select middle points, everything, and go to the surface tool on the left-hand side and create surface from 2 to 3 points and select the edges. This will automatically select a surface for you. Now go to the cube and extrude surface. And similarly, you can extrude it to the height you want. You can type in the height. In this case, it's 3 meters or 3000 millimeters. Again, go to the extrude surface in order to do that. And this, unlike the curve, extrude curve, will cap the surfaces for you automatically. And if I'm gonna do, let's assume that I selected a line that I'm not supposed to select. So all you have to do is press Control and select the line that you want to deselect. This will deselect whatever you don't want. And now extruding the curves again. If it's simple, it will cap them automatically for you. The extrusion will be capped automatically. If you have all the lines for your walls on one layer, like in my case, which are all on in the layer A wall, I can select them all together and extrude them at the same time. So go to the layer that you need and right click and select objects. What this does, it selects all the objects or the lines that you have in this layer. And in this case, it's all my perimeter lines of the walls. And I would go to the extrude curve command from the left-hand side and extrude them to the height I want, which is 3000 millimeter. And you can see that all the walls has been extruded at the same time.